Take two. Right, so just walked up to Churchview campsite. Got a nice grassed area, lots to do here on site. We're from mini golf to just behind me here. An assault course, mate, right next to the campsite. Awesome. Churchview campsite tour then. We've got spacious pitches that was quite level. There's dog walking facilities on site. Children's play area. Along with a mini golf course. Prices, adults £6, under 16 £4, and your second round half price. There's archery, air rifle and airsoft target sessions. There is a double-decker bus that is getting a play area done at the time of my visit. There's a cafe with some tables and chairs and some board games inside to play if you've got bad weather going on, along with a cafe and a bar, which next door has even got a built-in gym if you decide you want to do some training whilst you are on your holidays. We've got service pitches that's got electric hookup and water facilities. Free showers, some inside, some outside, with those big massive gaps, mate. What have a hell of a wind blowing on through the shower. You can hire fire pits, which also become a barbecue. There's washer and dryer facilities. Outside washing up area that is undercover. Chemical waste and grey waste disposal. A water tap to service your motorhomes. And general waste you just literally throw on the back of a 4B and they dispose of it quite quickly. So this consists of my campsite tour. I do give it a thumbs up and I'd probably go back there again. Thanks for watching and please remember to like, comment and subscribe please, and I shall see you in the next campsite tour or on the next van life adventure. Thanks for watching.